Okay, guys, example number 1. Now, this is an easy one. It says a basketball league has 5 teams. 2 of the teams are chosen, so it's 5 choose 2 to play one another. How many different possible matchups are possible? List and count the different possible matchups of the basketball teams. Now, guys, I'm not going to ask you to list them, or maybe I will. But first, we're going to use our formula. It said we've got combinations. We want to find the combinations of 5 choose 2. And you'll remember that that means we find the permutations of 5 choose 2, and we divide it by the number that we're choosing, factorial. Okay? Now, I'm going to write my fraction bar here big so that I can work on the top and on the bottom. I know that the bottom is just 2 times 1. But I know the top is going to be 5 factorial over 5 minus 2 factorial. Okay, so that gives me 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over, and guys, this is 3 factorial, so that's going to be 3 times 2 times 1. Now that's what's on top. Now in the bottom I still have 2 times 1. Now I can't cancel from here and here. They're on separate sides of the fraction bar. I need to deal with the top. Whoa, don't want to do that. I need to deal with the top and then deal with the bottom. Okay? So I'm going to draw an arrow down here, and I'm going to see that this cancels, and this cancels. And I'm left with 5 times 4 on the top and 2 times 1 on the bottom. Okay? I'm also going to see that this 2 cancels with that 4, and I'm left with 1, and the 4 turns into a 2. So that's going to give me 10. So that's 10 possible combinations of teams. Okay? Now, they ask us to just list it. All right? So I'm going to name the teams A, B, C, D, and E. That's 5 teams. Now I want you to watch what we get here. We can do A and B, A plays C, A plays D, and A plays E. Now I can do B, but I can't say B plays A because B's already played A. Remember, order doesn't matter. Okay, so it's BC, BD, BE. Then I can say C, but not A and B because C has already played A and B. C, D, and C, E. And you see how it goes down by 1 each time. And then the next one is just going to be D and E. And E never gets to go first in the list because it's already played everybody. All right? So that's 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, and that gives us 10. But sometimes, guys, I don't want to list all those things. Those lists, the numbers get very big. Okay? For this one, they didn't get big. But in many problems, they get very big. And I just want to use the combinations formula because it's much faster and easier. All right, good job, guys.